First step, download Office Deployment Tool. Second step, create configuration XML file. Choose the Office Professional 2021 volume license. Here you can choose modules which you want to install. In my case it will be Excel, Word and PowerPoint. In the next field you can choose your language. In Update and Upgrade section and check First option. Then go to the last section and press Finish button. Make Export Configuration File. Here you can type name of XML file. Go to Download folder and install Office Deployment Tool. Please install in Download folder. Run CMD as administrator. First command is redirects to user profile download folder. Second command is starting installation process with our XML configuration file.